How to get your next 5 high-paying dream clients with an audience of less than 10k followers. In this video, I'm going to be going through exactly how you can do that, so let's just get straight into it. So in this video, I'm going to go through getting attention, because you need attention. If you don't have attention, you're going to have no one to pitch your offer to. Second of all, I'm going to go through building up trust with that attention, because if you don't have any trust, we're in a trust recession right now. If you don't have trust with the prospects, they're not going to buy from you. And then I'm going to go through guaranteeing people actually show up and close. So here's just some proof of concept: 10k plus month, just 1k in a day, 6.6k in a day. Okay, so getting the right attention. So most people go wrong here and they end up with randoms on their page. Okay, they try and get every bit of attention. And this is wrong. You shouldn't be doing that. You shouldn't be going to random people. You should be trying to go to people who are your ideal clients, okay? Randoms do not get you paid, okay? You need the right attention onto you and your offer. So how can we make that happen? What you need to realize is you need to get your messaging dialed. And what this means is you need to speak directly to your ideal client. Understand them, understand what they're struggling with. You need to understand your ideal client to a T, okay? So understand their pains, why they're experiencing them. Understand their wants, tangible and intangible. So they want a new car. Why do they actually want that new car? So girls can look at them going past in that new car. That's an intangible feeling. Why they truly want these things. Dig deep, okay? Do they want money to provide to families, to give them their dream life? What do they truly want? And then what's stopping them from getting there? And now you know this, you can tailor your content towards that said person. You can relate to their pains and explain how you overcame them with your unique process that you sell. This will build a huge connection with you and your viewer, plus make them listen to you because you have been through those said things before. You should be selling what you've done before yourself. Hopefully you are. So if you sell fitness, you've probably got in shape yourself before, okay? So that's why you can relate to them, because you've been in their situation before. You're basically your ideal client, but when you first started, okay? So, and it will also allow you to attract ideal clients onto your page, okay? But I do not want you to rely on the organic algorithm to get attention. Most people say spam short form content, you'll get attention. That's still random attention, and you can't rely on the algorithm to go to those ideal clients, even if your messaging is dialed, okay? So organic content does well sometimes, and then sometimes doesn't. That's not reliable. We just want something reliable that will perform for us no matter what, and most importantly, while we're sleeping, okay? And this is why we run a simple ad that gets targeted attention onto our page and offer. This gets us leads following us every single day and in our pipeline. And this means more people are coming onto our page, more people are following us, more people are going to start watching our content. And these people will then get nurtured by our organic content and intrigued for more from us. So you do need an organic foundation. That's what I help my clients do as well, is start their organic foundation and then run those ads so that people from the ads can get nurtured by the organic content and then move on to the trust building stage, which is nothing to do with short form content, but we'll get into it now. But these ads are pretty cheap. They're $15 to $30 a day. You can run some retargeting ads that are around $5 to $10 a day as well. Really cheap, really simple, and it's going to get you paid. The return on investment is insane. Okay, so now we have attention, and that's great. But you need to build up trust with that attention, because again, if no one trusts you, no one's going to buy from you. Okay, so what you truly need to understand is attention is nothing without conversion. If you do not have trust, no one will buy from you, and 30 to 60 second clips does not build up trust. It may build up trust, but it will take a year and a half, because it takes 420 videos to build up trust, as you'll find out in a minute, and that's a year and a half. But we're in a trust recession, okay? And this is the rule that you need to follow and always need to think about. The 7-hour rule states that approximately it takes 7 hours of engagement to convert a lead by building trust and a connection. So basically, people need to watch your content for at least 7 hours before they even consider buying it. And short form content, that's going to take quite a long time. Okay, so you can no longer run an ad to a landing page, get people to watch a video sales letter, and then booking call. That does not work as well anymore, and I'm not saying it doesn't work at all. Of course it works. Everything works if you're consistent with it and actually put in the work, but it doesn't work as well anymore, and it's not as reliable. So someone needs to watch your content for at least 7 hours, and that's why we put YouTube and email together. Okay, so that's the trust building stage, YouTube and email. I don't know if you've noticed recently, but everyone is just going all in on YouTube, and there's a reason for that. Longer form videos build up trust quicker. Okay, it builds up at 7 hours so much quicker. Raw and authentic videos on YouTube, like I'm posting right now, are doing super well. So really take that into consideration and just start YouTube. I'm telling you right now, I'm all in on YouTube. Literally, my main focus is YouTube because it's so overpowered. The retargeting on it is insane. Everything about YouTube is just amazing. And then I add emails. Okay, so emails is just another way to hit them from different angles. And by the way, emails still counts as content. It's just written content. Okay, so it's not just video content that you should be creating. It's also written content, and this counts as emails. And you don't have to be an amazing copywriter. You just need to promote stuff on there. You just need to promote your offer, promote your YouTube video. We'll go over that in a minute, but yeah, it's really simple. Just add email and YouTube together, and you can get people's emails through a mini chat sequence through your short form content. Okay, so I lead everyone over to YouTube, and YouTube is my main focus. Okay, all I do is create my first ever video I created, and I also always iterate on this, so I always create a new one. I just test new ones out, is a video sales letter, and this video sales letter is going to be different to all of your other videos. It's the main goal is to book in calls. So you're going to offer your offer. You're also going to speak about your story. You're going to rub salt in the wounds of the pain of your ideal clients' pains, and you're going to make sure they know they need your process to get from point A to point B. You're also going to post attention content, nurturing content, and social proof content. So you're going to try and post 1 to 3 times a week. And attention content is just lifestyle and using anything you can to get some sort of attention. Nurturing is positioning your process that you sell as the best, and social proof content is going through clients' results. Okay, so I grab people's emails through short form content with ManyChat. So at the end of some of my short form videos, I say comment the word keyword, something like comment the word Magnify. I send you over a free training. People comment that word, ManyChat automatically sends it over and also grabs their email. I then send 1 email a day promoting my offer, sending people over to YouTube, showing clients results, giving value, etc. Okay, these 2 things build up the 7 hours like really quickly, and this is what's going to get you qualified book calls. It's going to get you book calls on autopilot, YouTube and emails. Next is, how do I guarantee the close? So we've got book calls, or people are trying to book in calls with us, but that doesn't mean they're going to close. So I guarantee the close with a couple things. I have a book a call form, so I only get qualified book calls, and I can choose who I hop on calls with. So if they're not qualified, I will not hop on a call with them. I will let them know you're not qualified, etc. And I won't hop on a call. Next is a pre-call sequence to increase sharp rate. So I have these email and text reminders. I also grab their phone number and also their Instagram so I can message them manually. And this increases sharp rate because I just remind them. There's only 3 reasons why people don't turn up. They don't know how to turn up to the call, they forgot about it, or they just don't want to in general, and they just booked in because they felt like it on that day. Now they don't want to hop on a call. Okay, so this increases sharp rate. And last but not least is an after calls book nurturing process, and this is increasing close rate. So what I have is I send people over my video sales letter automatically. So they book in a call, it sends over an email automatically saying please watch these 2 videos. 1 video is my video sales letter, because you're going to be getting book calls from all angles, not just the video sales letter, so they might not have seen your video sales letter, so you're going to send them that just in case. And also a video going through all your clients' results, so this is going to stop them from saying on the call, can I see some more clients' results, etc. You've already been over it. Okay, so you're not wasting any time. Okay, and this is just going to increase this is going to just increase close rate so much, and they're gonna hop on these calls and then basically say send the invoice. Okay, they're going to ask a few questions and just say, yeah, I've heard enough, your content's done all the objection handling. They won't say that, but that's what it's doing. And then they're going to say send the invoice. Okay, that's what most of my calls are like. They're like friendly calls. I hop on calls and they're like my friends. That's because they've been in my audience, okay? And they've been in it for at least 7 hours, so they know me, okay? And I know them a little bit. Guys, I want you to realise this. I want you to realise this really badly. All you need is some sort of social media presence in 2024. Some sort of social media presence is all you need. You don't need a huge following. You need a following full of your ideal clients who know, like, and trust you. That's all you need to make a lot of money with your coaching or agency offer. That's all you need. All you need, I guarantee. And now I just want to go through the funnel visually so you understand it. So as you can see here, we have organic content on our page first of all, and we use some of it in a percentage of our pieces of content and many chat sequences so people comment a keyword. We have an ad running to get more targeted people onto our page. We have our messaging dialed so we speak directly to our ideal client. People come onto our Instagram profile. They then go to YouTube, and I grab people's emails through this many chat sequence. So as you can see here, it just goes to here. So I'll be sending emails. I might not get everyone's emails, but that's completely fine because, again, they go over to YouTube. The first video they see is my video sales letter because it will be a link in my profile, and that's the first video people go over to. So I may book in calls from that straight away. If not, they keep on getting retargeted because, again, YouTube's algorithm is insane. They watch my YouTube content until they're ready to book in a call, until they have enough trust, until they built up that 7 hours. Then they get hit with a book a call form, a pre-call sequence to show up to the call, and then after calls book nurturing process to make sure they close. I also post on Instagram stories 2 to 5 times a day. I offer my offer. I do the same as emails. I offer my offer. I show clients results. I show lifestyle. I give value, etc. And I also run retargeting ads / DM ads to retarget everyone who came onto my Instagram profile and showed interest. This will get them to DM me a keyword, and then I'll send them over my video sales letter as a free training, which would then get them in the YouTube algorithm so they get retargeted until they're ready to, and it repeats, okay? And they just keep on booking in calls when they are ready, okay? So that's the funnel. And if you're an online coach or agency, you have a solid offer, you have a few testimonials to back that offer up, and you just want a consistent way to get more qualified book calls on your calendar and qualified clients, dream clients. So I want to help you one-to-one get your next 5 high-paying dream clients and add at least 20k to your business within 12 weeks guaranteed, without having to send cold messages, without having to spam short form content, but with an audience of less than 10k followers while working less than 4 hours a day. If this interests you, all you're going to do is go to the first link in the description of the video and book in a call. So I'll show you real quick. As you can see here, you're on my video, for example. You're going to scroll down to more. You're going to click on here to book in a call, and then you're going to go book a time when you're ready, and then go through the form and then book in a call. If you want to join the Magnify Your Content Academy straight away and you don't even want to hop on a call, you've got enough value from me, you just want to get started straight away, just click on here and go from there, and you'll get led to an onboarding page. You'll book an onboarding call and we'll hop on an onboarding call and everything like that. Okay, so if you're interested in getting your next 5 high-paying dream clients within 12 weeks guaranteed, with the Magnify Your Content funnel, the funnel I just went through, it's one-to-one with me, one-to-one, so I give you all my time and energy and help you implement this and help you make it work. And yeah, if you're an online coach or agency, got a solid offer, have a few testimonials to back that offer up, you want to get your next 5 high-paying dream clients within 12 weeks guaranteed, book in a call or just go to the buy stripe and buy it straight away and we can get started straight away. So I hope you got some value from this, and yeah, thanks guys for watching, really appreciate it. Subscribe, everything like that, and peace.